Hello friends, this is Mahesh Pathak and welcome to Pathak's Microbiology Academy. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about structure of nucleotide. So let us first understand what is nucleotide. Friends, nucleotide is the basic monomer of DNA. What? Monomer. DNA or RNA. Okay. So nucleotide is the monomer of DNA or RNA. Okay. So what is monomer? Monomer is a one single unit. By joining so much those units, we can make a whole chain which is called as polymer. So polymer, so many nucleotides or so many monomers will come and to make one strand of the DNA, and that strand will be called as polymer. Okay, so monomers are the single unit, and these monomers, by joining so many monomers, we can make a polymer. So DNA is a polymer and nucleotide is the monomer of DNA or RNA. Okay, so nucleotide, in the nucleotide there are three parts or three components from which one nucleotide is made. One is phosphate group, second is pentose sugar, it can be ribose in case of RNA, and can be deoxyribose in case of DNA. Okay, second is pentose sugar. Third one is nitrogen base, it can be adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine or uracil. So these three components, from these three components the nucleotide is made. Okay, so adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine will be present in the DNA, and instead of thymine there will be uracil in the RNA. Other three nitrogen bases will be same. So these three components, from these components nucleotide is made. So let's move to the structure of nucleotide, how these three components are arranged in the nucleotide structure. Okay, so here you can see the first component is phosphate, from which the DNA backbone is made. The second component is sugar, which is mainly pentose sugar. What does it mean by pentose sugar? There will be 5 carbon in it. Okay, so whether it is in case it is DNA, so there will be deoxyribose sugar, and in case of RNA there will be ribose sugar. So according to the difference between their sugars, they are named like deoxyribose nucleic acid, because there is deoxyribose sugar is present, which is also pentose sugar made up of 5 carbons, 1 2 3 4 5, and in case of ribose there are also 5 carbons, but on the second carbon there is this hydroxyl group is present, so that's why we are calling it as ribose sugar. And in case of deoxyribose sugar, the second carbon of the on the second carbon the hydroxyl group is absent, so that's why we are calling it as deoxyribose sugar. Okay, so this is the difference between deoxyribose DNA sugar and the ribose RNA sugar. So second one is pentose sugar, which is in case of RNA. Here you can see hydroxyl group is absent, so this is ribose sugar. Okay, and third component is nitrogen base, which is inside the DNA of the organisms. So this is the structure of nucleotide, and on one strand, so there will be another strand in the DNA. In case of DNA there will be another strand, and on that DNA the other nucleotide will be attached, nitrogen base, pentose sugar and phosphate group. Okay, so that we will discuss in the next lecture, where we will see the structure of DNA. Okay, thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and share this video to your friends and family members.